Having the right camera can completely change your photos and videos. So in this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 best Canon cameras, so you'll never have to suffer with poor video and photo quality again. Now, the issue is that a camera might work great for one person, but it just might not be the best for you. And that's really just because most Canon cameras are not made with the same people in mind. So that's why I made sure to include options for really all types of situations, so regardless of what you're looking for, I'll have the perfect Canon camera right here for you. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. First is the Canon EOS R6 Mark II. The Canon EOS R6 Mark II stands out with features like its advanced full-frame sensor, exceptional autofocus capabilities, and high-speed continuous shooting. And for those wanting a high-quality and easy-to-use mirrorless camera, the R6 Mark II might just be the best choice for you. The EOS R6 Mark II is equipped with an advanced full-frame sensor. This camera delivers stunning image quality with exceptional dynamic range and low-light performance. The improved autofocus system, now with even more focus points, ensures razor-sharp accuracy, making it a reliable companion for both photography and videography. Now, the EOS R6 Mark II has fantastic 4K video capabilities at higher frame rates. Now, the in-body image stabilization system eliminates shakes and jitters, providing smooth and cinematic footage, while the articulating touchscreen makes framing your shots a real breeze. One of the camera's standout features is its impressive burst shooting capabilities, capturing fleeting moments at up to 20 frames per second. And whether you're photographing fast-paced action or documenting subtleties of a portrait, the EOS R6 Mark II really ensures that you never, ever miss that beat. The functional design of the camera, coupled with the intuitive control layout, makes it easy to use for photographers or beginners of all levels. The weather-sealed construction adds durability, allowing you to explore and create in various environments. The Canon EOS R6 Mark II offers top-tier image quality, advanced modes like the burst shot, and a user-friendly interface. For those wanting a camera that is powerful, durable, and easy to handle, the R6 Mark II might just be the best pick for you. Next, I have the Canon EOS R50, and that's my choice for the best Canon camera for beginners. The Canon EOS R50 offers a powerful combination of high-resolution imaging, advanced autofocus capabilities, and 4K video recording. And for those wanting a compact yet feature-packed camera with a wide range of creative pursuits, the EOS R50 might just be the best camera for you. One of the EOS R50's standout features is its 24.2 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor, and this captures images with exceptional detail and clarity. With dual-pixel CMOS autofocus and an impressive ISO range, this camera ensures precise and fast autofocus, even in challenging lighting conditions, allowing you to focus on your creative vision. And this thing is equipped with 4K video recording capabilities and advanced image stabilization. The EOS R50 is a flexible tool for capturing cinematic moments. The vari-angle LCD touchscreen adds a layer of adaptability, making it easy to frame shots from various angles. And whether you're vlogging, capturing landscapes, or experimenting with creative compositions, the EOS R50 is easy to use. The camera's compact and lightweight design, coupled with intuitive controls, makes it a perfect companion for photographers on the go. Built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity make it simple to seamlessly share your shots and videos with ease. The Canon EOS R50 has some great features like the impressive dual-pixel CMOS autofocus, the vari-angle LCD touchscreen, and the compact design. If you're someone who wants a fantastic blend of advanced technology and user-friendly interface, then this might just be the best pick for you. Next, I have the Canon EOS R10, and that's my choice for the best Canon camera for most people. The Canon EOS R10 stands out with its high-resolution sensor, exceptional low-light performance, and cutting-edge features. Now, for those wanting a well-rounded camera that has a blend of quality and performance, the EOS R10 might just be the best option for you. And with all these great standout features, the EOS R10 is my top pick for the best Canon camera for most people. The EOS R10 has a full-frame sensor that delivers fantastic image quality with exceptional detail and dynamic range. The camera's impressive low-light capabilities ensure that you can capture the essence of any scene, from vibrant landscapes to intimate portraits, with amazing clarity and precision. The EOS R10 has an advanced autofocus system that offers lightning-fast and pin-sharp focus in any shooting scenario. And whether you're capturing fast-paced action or intricate details, the camera's accuracy ensures that every frame is up to your standards. The EOS R10 sets a new standard for cinematic filmmaking with its 4K video recording capabilities. The in-body image stabilization system provides steady footage even in challenging shooting conditions, while the intuitive interface simplifies the process of framing and adjusting settings. The weather-sealed body, customizable controls, and a high resolution of an electronic viewfinder make the EOS R10 easy to use. The user-friendly interface empowers photographers, filmmakers, and beginners to be able to focus on their craft without complicated settings or controls. The Canon EOS R10 has some standout features like the image stabilization system, the durable body, and the array of shooting modes that's tailored for your needs. And for those looking for a camera that has a great image quality and advanced features, the EOS R10 might just be the best pick for you. Next on the list, I have the Canon EOS R5, and that's my choice for the best Canon camera for video. The Canon EOS R5 combines great features like its 8K video capabilities, outstanding autofocus system, and high-resolution sensor. Whether you're a professional photographer, videographer, or a newcomer, the EOS R5 offers a high-quality performance that might just make it the best option for you. With everything it has to offer, the EOS R5 stands as my top pick for the best Canon camera for video. One of the EOS R5's standout features is its remarkable 45-megapixel full-frame sensor. This delivers images with breathtaking detail, dynamic range, and true-to-life colors. Its low-light performance ensures that even in challenging conditions, your shots retain clarity and vibrancy. Autofocus precision is fantastic with the EOS R5's dual-pixel CMOS autofocus system. Lightning fast and incredibly accurate, it effortlessly tracks subjects, ensuring sharp focus whether you're photographing wildlife in action or capturing the spontaneous moments of everyday life. For videographers, the EOS R5's 8K video recording capability is an amazing addition. The in-body image stabilization system ensures smooth footage, while Canon's renowned color science brings cinematic quality to your videos. The camera's 4K HQ mode and high frame rate options add adaptability for all your picture taking and film capturing needs. The EOS R5's design is a perfect blend of functionality and a user-friendly design. The weather-sealed magnesium body, customizable controls, and intuitive touchscreen make it simple to use for both professionals and beginners alike. The Canon EOS R5 combines features like the incredible 45-megapixel full-frame sensor, the 8K video recording capabilities, and the autofocus precision system. For those wanting a camera that has a great image quality, advanced features, and powerful video capturing capabilities, the EOS R5 might just be the best choice for you. Next, I have the Canon EOS R3, which is my choice for the best Canon camera for professionals. The Canon EOS R3 features a high-performance sensor, lightning-fast autofocus system, and robust video capabilities, making it an exceptional choice for sports, wildlife, and action photographers. And for those looking for the speed, precision, and high-quality image capturing, the EOS R3 might just be the best pick for you. With all these standout features, the EOS R3 stands out as my top pick for the best Canon camera for professionals. The EOS R3 has a great 24.1 megapixel full-frame stacked CMOS sensor designed for lightning-fast readout speeds and exceptional image quality. Paired with the advanced Digic X image processor, this camera has incredible autofocus capabilities that offer eye-tracking precision and ensuring that every shot is sharp. One of the standout features is the impressive 6K 60p RAW and 4K 120p 10-bit uncropped video recording capabilities. The in-body image stabilization further enhances flexibility, allowing for steady shots in any shooting scenario. The EOS R3's intuitive controls, weather-sealed magnesium body, and responsive vari-angle LCD touchscreen make it simple to use in the field. With built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi, high-speed LAN, and Bluetooth connectivity, sharing your visual narratives is incredibly easy, ensuring your footage is easily communicated. The Canon EOS R3 offers impressive video recording capabilities, a powerful Digic X image processor, and intuitive controls that make it incredibly user-friendly. And for those wanting a blend of cutting-edge technology, amazing performance, and adaptability to your needs in a camera, the EOS R3 might just be the best camera for you.